as the city, we are here in Nasrec to welcome different stakeholders, sponsors, partners that we are working with in the city to support the Soweto Marathon, which is happening this weekend here in Soweto. We have made sure as a partner to this, in fact as the host as well, to this particular marathon, we've made sure that issues that we as local government must play a role on, we are arranging and making sure that that is it's attended to. Issues of sewer that might be running on the ground. I think the team from JRA, they've made sure that that is attended to. Pick It Up has also attended to the issue of waste removal around the city. We are also contributing towards making sure that this event becomes a success. It's an event that we want to see in upcoming years as well.
As the City of Johannesburg, we have put all safety measures in place, supported by our various departments and entities, the regions in support of this event to ensure that the safety of the runners on our routes, they are safe. We are excited to be hosting this race, and we are looking forward to host the 22,000 runners that will be taking off to the streets of Soweto on Sunday morning.
Yes, I am ready for Soweto Marathon 2024. That is going to be happening on the 3rd of November 2024, obviously. And looking at 2023, Soweto Marathon was a little bit shaky, but for the 2024 one, believe you me, I am ready for it, you know. And I know it has its own up and downs and stuff, but I am ready for it. I've trained for it, and I believe mentally, spiritually, I'm physically ready for it. Coming on the side of Moroka Police Station, the first hill just after Town. Wow, it's a tricky hill as well. Going to the side of Velagazi Street as well, a little bit of a tricky hill as well, which you need to be prepared for it mentally. So I am ready for the race, and I did have challenges, obviously, like I said, the previous years, doing sub 3 hours. So I'm planning to do different 2024, as I did 306 2023, I did 3011 2022, and obviously some other years we didn't run. It was a little bit of a hiccup time, but believe you me, this time I am going to make sure that I'm going to do a little bit different from what I did in the previous years. I think it would be my 9th Soweto Marathon that I've ran. I started with the 21, and after that I couldn't stop doing 42 as a marathon. So I'm still running, and I'll continue to run ever since. So it is one of the beautiful races, I can assure you, in South Africa. It's one of the best races, I can assure you, planned. And the way it is, it says it's an African race, so it has that African touch in it.